What's the meaning of advisement? Advisement. 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 Advisement is a noun that refers to the act of giving advice or counsel, or the consideration of advice or suggestions. It can also refer to the official notification of a legal decision or ruling. In essence, advisement involves the process of seeking or providing guidance for a particular situation. This term can be commonly used in legal or academic contexts where informed decision-making or thoughtful consideration is necessary. Overall, advisement plays an important role in helping individuals and organizations make informed choices and decisions.